So let's say what I want to actually go ahead and do is delete out the account for privacy reasons. I don't want my account to be active anymore. In that case, you can actually go around on the settings, and here under accounts, you can see that delete account is an option. Mind that once you click on this, your account will be totally gone. So if I were to actually click over here, it says, are you sure you want to delete your account? And this is not reversible as it says right here. So let me just go around and click on delete account, and that's it. The account has been deleted. So now what you have to do is you need to go ahead and sign up again in order to start using. So I have my content right here. So it says it actually sent me a code right here. So now what happens is that if I were to log back in right here using structured, then I'm actually creating a new account right here. So I'm just going to go ahead and copy and paste this code out right here. Then it starts as if I just created a new account, as you can see right here, because I just did. So be very sure that you want to delete the account and then only do that. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.